Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Mailgun for AI email personalization automation, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin authorizing Mailgun for AI email personalization automation, start by logging into your Mailgun account. Once logged in, navigate to the domains section from the dashboard. Here, you'll see a list of your domains. Select the domain you wish to use for email automation. In the domain settings, locate the API Keys tab. You will find two API key options, the private API key and the public validation key. For email personalization automation, you primarily need the private API key. Copy the private API key to your clipboard. Next, open your AI email personalization platform. In the platform, locate the setting or configuration section for Mailgun integration. Paste your API key into the designated field. Ensure you enter any other required details, such as the domain name you selected earlier. Once your API key and domain details are entered, proceed to save the settings. Depending on the platform, you may need to conduct a test to confirm the integration works properly. Look for an option to send a test email or check the connection status. If the test is successful, your Mailgun authorization is complete. You are now ready to use Mailgun for AI email personalization automation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.